So if you follow my channel, you probably know that I finally finished my exhaust, except for this one thing. Alright, hey guys, today I'm going to be working on my exhaust yet again. So I finally have it all welded together, it's done, it's good, sounds good, works good, etc, etc. The only problem I have is when my car is under load at low RPMs, the exhaust rattles enough where it hits the heat shield by my gas tank, and it causes this really loud rattling inside the cabin. And when I say under load at low RPMs, I mean say you're sitting at a stoplight with the car in drive, or you're reversing up a driveway or something like that. Just some instance where it's low RPMs, but you're not in park or neutral. So I'm going to see if I can get a clip with that noise, and then I'm going to show you, hopefully, myself cutting up and welding some 3/8 inch thick steel bar. I'm going to cut that and weld a hanger up, and hopefully that hanger holds it enough where there isn't enough flex in the exhaust to knock against that heat shield. So let's get to it. Okay, so salt and sand down for maximum traction in the front because it's pretty icy out. Also have the parking brake on and the car in park. Now it's time to jack it up. Okay, car's jacked up. Got a jack stand in there for extra safety in case the jack fails. Now, time to get the welder out here and start welding stuff up. So I originally thought it was my heat shield right here causing an issue, but I don't think it is. I actually think it's up here where one of my exhaust clamps is. When the exhaust comes down, it comes up and hits this part of the frame. So I might have to pull it down a little bit, weld it, and then weld it up to the frame. So let's give it a shot. I was thinking about it for a little bit, and rather than welding a bracket that comes out and then up to the frame, I think I'm just gonna cut a little piece of 3/8 inch bar, and I'm gonna stick it in between the exhaust pipe and then the frame, and I'm just gonna weld them together. So let's cut a piece. This is really hard without vice grips. There's our mangled piece of 3/8 inch. Now let's weld her on. Need to put my grounding clamp somewhere else. So up towards the top there, right here, there was not very good penetration, That's because I'm using a 110 volt welder, so it can't get very much amperage. I did the best I can, and you know, I just really couldn't penetrate too well into that frame. But the good news is that it does not move, and I pulled about as much as I could there before it got out of control. So I think exhaust should be fixed. I'm gonna pack everything up and go for a test drive and see if she sounds good. Alright, so I know I didn't really get the sound too well before when I was trying to film and get the rattle, but if you listen now, no rattles. The last test is backing into the driveway. That's where it usually always rattles, but I usually get rattles just driving around, so it sounds like we're good so far. I don't know if you can hear it, but that low RPM grumble under load, low RPMs, no rattling. Nice. And that was a success. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.